Welcome to this tutorial on max aggregation across time periods. First, review the core idea. SAP Integrated Business Planning automatically aggregates data from its storage level to the display level, using the aggregation logic configured for each key figure. Aggregation Mode Max is commonly used for upper bound key figures because it displays the highest underlying value at a higher time level. Next, the planning model is reviewed in the SAP IBP web application. The planning areas list is displayed, and the IIM planning area is highlighted. Open this planning area to check the key figure configuration used in the example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because the aggregation behavior is defined on the key figure. Click Key Figures to review the relevant settings. After opening the Key Figures tab, the key figure list is displayed and the search box is highlighted. Click the search box to find the key figure used in this example. After clicking the search box, enter a key figure ID, such as IOMAXINVENTORY, and then click the search button to filter the list. After filtering the list, IOMAXINVENTORY, named IO Maximum On-Hand Inventory, is displayed. Click the key figure ID to open its detail page. After opening the key figure details, the characteristics section is displayed. The aggregation mode field is highlighted and shows max. This means the highest underlying value is displayed when the planning view is shown at a higher time level. Next, transition to Microsoft Excel. The planning view is displayed at the technical week level. In this example, the highlighted split buckets TW27A 2026 and TW27B 2026 contain values of 60 and 40. To aggregate the data to weekly periods, click Edit View in the SAP IBP ribbon. After clicking Edit View, the Edit Planning View window opens on Time Settings. The time level field is highlighted and currently shows Week Technical. Click the Time Level dropdown. After opening the Time Level dropdown, the available time levels are displayed. Select Week so the planning view aggregates the technical week buckets into weekly periods. After selecting Week, the time level field shows Week. Click OK to apply the setting to the worksheet. After confirming the settings, the worksheet refreshes with weekly period columns. In this example, the highlighted W27 2026 value is 60. The maximum of the corresponding split technical week values 60 and 40. Next, click Edit View again to aggregate the data to a higher time level. After clicking Edit View again, the Edit Planning View window opens and the time level field shows week. Click the Time Level dropdown. After opening the Time Level dropdown, select Month. This changes the display from weekly period buckets to monthly period buckets. After selecting Month, the time level field shows Month. Click OK to apply the monthly aggregation to the planning view. After confirming the monthly setting, the worksheet refreshes with monthly period columns. In this example, July 2026 is highlighted, and its displayed value is the maximum of the underlying periods aggregated to that month. In summary, max aggregation across time periods starts with a key figure configured with Aggregation Mode Max. Then the planning view displays the same data at different time levels. In this workflow, technical week buckets are aggregated to week, and then weekly data is aggregated to month, so users can analyze the same upper bound key figure at the period level needed for the task. The exact planning area, key figures, periods, and values may vary by system setup, template, and planning configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.